are at the same code, that is a Jdbc implementation. So in the last session we have seen the importing all these necessary files. Next is the class, in which we have seen that the main with the exception handling, then the driver class loading, then the connection establishment, and to execute the query. This is what the statements, and this is the statement which will indicate that whether the data is inserted successfully or not. So here we will just modify the data and just check what exactly the things, or rather I will just check over here by running the same statement, that is select star from student 1. This is the recent data which is been added over there. I will just change the data, that is the roll number is 4 and the name is, let's say hmm, let's say it is, okay, say it is Rekha. This is what the name, and these are the marks. Fine, for the 3 entries. Once these 3 entries are done, I will just save it and I will just recall it over here, means with the help of the prepare statement. This particular statement will give me the idea that the same uh, data can be tracked from the database. Now this is the things which one can monitor and cross check. Now let's check here, the connector is as such not involved, so I will just go for this execution of this code. So once I go for the execution, obviously I will get the error over here. Now let's check what exactly that error. The error will say that the class is not obtained, means com.mysql.cj.jdbc driver, this driver is not at all being connected. Okay, so all these errors which you are observing over here, that is obviously with respect to the Jdbc driver itself. So I will just show you what exactly the procedure to have this jar file connection. So I will just right click on the project. Here I will just say build path, add external archives or the archives. So this is what the MySQL connector Java 8.0.22, and obviously the extension is .jar. This connector is suitable for my SQL version. If you are having the different version, you can download it. So once this connector is connected over here, you can just check here MySQL connector Java 8.0.22. This is what the connector just I added. Once the connector is added, now let me just run the code. Now you can just check the connector is just added over there and the output is obtained. So this is where the data insertion done successfully. This is what the data which has been dragged from the database: roll number 2 Amol, marks 44, roll number 3 and roll number 4 with this particular marks. Now the same thing you can just cross check at this MySQL and also by executing the command, that is select star from student 1, and the same data you can just observe at the MySQL database itself by executing the query. Now let's check that which is the site by which one can download that MySQL connector. So this is what the Maven repository which has been used in a shorter way, that is mvnrepository.com. So by just clicking on this particular site, you can just download the respective MySQL connector and just click on this Jdbc. It will guide you which kind of connectors you will require. So let's say this is what the connectors I will require, that is for the MySQL. Okay, once this is done, the related connectors you can just download over here. Okay, so these are the connectors which one can download. So this is the site by which you can download it. Okay, so this is all about how to drag the data and how to have the MySQL connector, that is the jar file. Okay, so if someone want to skip or let's say delete this particular jar file, again you can just go with the reverse procedure, that is just go over here, then say configure build path, This is the second step. Here you can just remove the jar file, and if you want to add, this can be done from this particular way also, that add external jars, and by this way one can add it. So even multiple jars files can be added. So this is the implementation of the JDBC, and how to connect the jar file and how to see the result. And this is the output. One can just check here. This is what the output of the concept which we used over here. That is with the help of the result set. Every row is been dragged out. So that is all about the JDBC implementation. Thank you everyone. Thank you very much.